Hi guys, this is Devashree from The Glutton and the Owl, and I have a super fun and exciting video for you today. A beauty haul from MyGlamm. And what makes this video all the more exciting is that I got all of the products that I'm going to show to you today for free. So basically, I shared my referral code with my friends and family, and each time they shopped from MyGlamm, I earned points. And I have basically redeemed all of those points to get the products that I'm going to show to you today. Not just that, I'm also going to create a super fun makeup look for you, which is perfect for date night, and you could also take it out for a night out around town. So let's get started. So the first product I'm using today is an eyeshadow stick called Powder Magic in the shade Smoky Quartz. So I absolutely adore this pencil. Firstly, because this color is so sexy, and secondly, it actually glides on like butter. It's great for beginners. So moving on to brows, I'm going to use the eyebrow powder called Stay Defined from MyGlamm. So now we're going to add some serious drama to our eyes by using the Threesome mascara. And what's great about this mascara is that it adds length, it curls the lashes, and it also conditions it. So now I'm going to define my face a little bit more using the Chisel palette in the color Game Face. I actually was really scared of contouring my face earlier, but it just makes such a huge difference. You end up looking so much nicer. I also like to define my jawline a little bit. Wow, this color is absolutely perfect for me. Wow, my face looks so much warmer. So now on to my favorite part of any makeup look that I ever create, and I never skip this step, is blush. And this particular color is actually really flattering on, you know, olive or Indian skin tones. So I love a good glowing skin, so I'm going to do just that. I'm going to add in some highlighter for some sheen. So I usually just do it at the top of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, on the arch of my lips, and a little bit on my chin, and that's it. Just blend it out a little bit so that it all looks seamless and pretty. So we're almost done. I am going to now paint my lips. I have actually picked quite a bold color from the BUTTERLICIOUS collection, which are a range of matte lipsticks. This is a beautiful Merlot color. So do give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications.